Hey, thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe to Miss Coffee's Brewed Content channel today.
I ever wondered why shredded cheese is so popular? This tiny, thin, and versatile form of cheese has managed to make itself a staple in kitchens around the world. It's not just about the rich, gooey taste, but also about the convenience it brings. No grating, no mess, just a handful of shredded cheese can elevate your dish in seconds. Its versatility is another plus, fitting into a variety of cuisines with ease. Shredded cheese, a simple but powerful ingredient, has transformed our culinary experiences. So what makes shredded cheese a go-to choice for many? Well, for starters, its melting capacity is a game changer. Shredded cheese melts easily and evenly, making it the perfect topping for your homemade pizza or that comforting casserole. No more uneven globs of cheese, just smooth, creamy goodness. But it's not just about the melt. Shredded cheese's packaging offers a long shelf life, reducing food waste and making it a convenient choice for those impromptu cooking sessions. And let's not forget the variety it brings to the table. From sharp cheddar to creamy mozzarella, there's a shredded cheese for every palate. It's clear that the benefits of shredded cheese extend beyond its delicious taste. Shredded cheese is not just for topping your pizza, it's a culinary chameleon, adapting to a variety of dishes. Imagine a warm, gooey cheese dip at your next gathering, or a hearty lasagna layered with shredded cheese. It can add depth to your salads, a delightful crunch to your sandwiches, or a creamy richness to your pasta. Even desserts can benefit from a sprinkle of shredded cheese. From adding a creamy texture to your soup to giving your dessert a cheesy twist, shredded cheese certainly knows how to steal the show. So there you have it. Shredded cheese, not just a popular choice, but a convenient, melt-in-your-mouth wonder. Its versatility in dishes is unmatched. Next time you reach for that package of shredded cheese, remember you're not just grabbing a tasty ingredient, but also a versatile, convenient, and flavorful addition to your culinary adventure.
While shredded cheese is a convenient and versatile ingredient, there are a few considerations and warnings to keep in mind. Additives and preservatives. Some pre-packaged shredded cheeses may contain additives, preservatives, and anti-caking agents to prevent the shreds from sticking together. If you have dietary restrictions or preferences, carefully read the ingredient list to be aware of any additives. Sodium content. Cheese, including shredded cheese, can be high in sodium. If you are on a low-sodium diet or have hypertension, it's essential to monitor your sodium intake and choose lower sodium cheese options when available. Allergens. Individuals with lactose intolerance or dairy allergies should be cautious when consuming shredded cheese, as it is a dairy product. Some shredded cheeses may also contain traces of other allergens, so read labels carefully if you have food allergies. Storage and freshness. Shredded cheese, once opened, should be stored properly in the refrigerator to maintain freshness and prevent spoilage. Make sure to check the expiration date on the packaging and use the cheese within that time frame. Mold growth. Like any dairy product, shredded cheese can develop mold if not stored correctly. Keep it in a cool, dry place, and promptly refrigerate any unused portions to minimize the risk of mold growth. Melting characteristics. While shredded cheese is designed to melt easily, it can become greasy if overheated or if low-quality cheese is used. Pay attention to the recommended melting temperatures and techniques to achieve the desired texture without compromising the quality of the dish. Caloric content. Shredded cheese can be calorie-dense due to its fat content. If you are watching your calorie intake, be mindful of the amount of shredded cheese you add to your dishes. Homemade shredding. If you prefer to shred your cheese at home, be cautious when using a food processor, as it can sometimes affect the texture. Additionally, ensure that the cheese and equipment are clean to prevent contamination. Always check the packaging for specific warnings, storage instructions, and nutritional information. If you have any dietary restrictions, allergies, or health concerns, consult with a healthcare professional or a nutritionist for personalized advice.
Kindly show your support by liking, sharing, and subscribing to enjoy daily freshly brewed content with Ms. Coffee.